Hi friends, this is Manikanta. Welcome to Jnanasad YouTube channel. Today our topic is squares. Let's see how squares are very easy to write. So I tell some techniques to write squares very easily without by hearting. So squares. Okay friends, I tell technique for writing the squares. First of all, I divide numbers for squares as a number ending with 0, and number ending with 5, and number ending with 4, and number ending with 9, and number ending with 6, and number ending with 1. So I done technique for and based on ending number. So first we see 0 ending numbers. 10 square is one of the example. 1 square means 1, 0 square that means 2 zeros is the technique. And write another, see another number 20 square, 2 square 4, 0 square that means 2 zeros. You write that 400. See another technique, another number 30 square, 3 square 9, 2 zeros. Same process for triple digit number also. For example, 100 square, write 1 square 1, 0 square 2 zeros, and 0 square 2 zeros, 10,000. 200 square, same like that, 2 square 4, 0 square 2 zeros, and again 0 square 2 zeros, so 40,000. So this is the technique for 0 ending numbers for writing squares. And now let's see squares for 5 ending numbers technique. Okay friends, now we see 5 ending numbers square technique. We take example 15 square. So very simple technique friends. See here I do some rough work here. 15 square, that means 15 into 15. 5 5 is 25, and add the remaining number plus 1, that means we get 2. So here we leave it 1, so 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2. So 15 square means 225. And see another number 25 square, same technique. 25 square means 25 into 25. 5 5 is 25, and add 1 to plus 1 to this number, add plus 1, we got 3 here, 3 2 is 6. So 25 square means 625. So next one I go to for a triple digit number example. You are 105 square. So it's a big number, it's difficult to write, some people fear about that, but it's the same technique we apply here. 105 square, that means 105 into the right here, 105 into 105. First 5 5 is 25, and remaining number we add 1, so we add 1, we got 11, 11 into 10, so write 11 into 10 is 11 10 is 110, so we write 110. So that means 105 square equal to 11025. We see another number 115 square. Same 115 square. 115 means 115 into 150. Same model friends. 5 5 is 25. Same technique. We add plus 1. That means we got 11. We write multiply 11 into 12 is 11 1 is 11. 11. So 12 1 is 12. 12 1 is 12. So 130. That means, so the final answer is 115 square is 13225. So this is the final answer. We write any square number based on this technique. So for 5 ending numbers. Okay friends, I think you got it technique. So now go for 4 ending numbers. It's a different technique for this one. Okay friends, 4 ending number technique based on these two numbers, reference. These two are reference numbers. Okay, say for example 14 square. 14 square easy technique. I write 14 round of number, nearly 0 ending or 5 ending. 5 ending is near, that means 15 square 15. So we write 15 square. See, it's a big number, greater than 14. So we subtract some number. What we subtract? That means what we write here, same subtract here. 15 plus, which number we want? 14. So this is the major formula for writing a square for 4 ending numbers. 15 square we already see the before for 5 ending numbers, 225 minus, we add both of them, 15 plus 14, so 29. We subtract both of them, 225 minus 29, we got 196. So 14 square equal to 196. So we see another example, 4 ending number 24. 24 square. So 24 square. So 24 nearly 0 ending or 5 ending number is. Which one is near? 5 ending is near. That means 25. So write 25 square. It's a big number. That's why I subtracted. 25 plus 24. This number, this one, and we want 24 square. That's why right here. So 25 square. Already before we do that, 25 square means 625 minus both add 49. So we subtract both of them. We got 576. So 24 square equal to 576. Okay, friends. Same order we go for. We also see triple digit number. Now we see triple digit number 4 ending 104 square. So 104 square nearly 5 ending number is 105. So 105 square. It is a big number. So I subtract it. For 105 plus 104. So same technique, friends. 5 ending number square we find out. I'm done here. 105 into 105. 5 5 is 25. Add plus 1 to the 10. So we got 11. So 11 times are 110. So the final answer is 10225 minus both add. We got 209. So the final answer for 104 square is. So we subtract from 1125 and 209. We got. This is the final answer for subtracting this one 209. We got. This is the final answer. So this model is for 4 ending numbers. So now we go for 9 ending numbers square. How can we write? Okay, friends, we go for 9 ending numbers. 9 numbers is very easy because round up number is 0 ending. For example, we got 19 square. So 19 ending square nearly 0 or 5 ending number is 0 ending number is near. So we got 20 square. 20 is the near for that. So it is a big number. So we subtract it. So we write this number 20 plus this number, what number we want? 19. So 2 square 4, 2 zeros minus 39. So we got it 361 is the final answer for 9 numbers. We see another number 29 square. So near 0 number is 30 square. So the big numbers, that's why I subtracted 30 plus 29. So 3 square 900 minus 59. So we got 841. So 29 square is equal to 841 is the final answer for 9 ending numbers. So now we see triple digit number. Triple digit number, 9 ending number. How can we write? Square. Okay, now we are saying 9 ending triple digit number 109 square. Same order, 109 after 0 ending number is 110. So 110 square minus 110 plus 109. So we write 110 square, 11 square, 121, 0 square, 2 zeros. We write here minus 219. So we subtract both of them. We subtract both of them. We got 11,881 is the 109 square. The same model, friends. Small number or big number, two digit or 3 digit. So 4 and 4 ending and 9 ending the same order. We write here bigger number. So that's why we subtract. What square we write here and what number we want. This is the easy technique for 9 ending and 4 ending. So now we go for 6 ending numbers. Okay friends, now we see 6 ending numbers. How can we write squares easily? So 16 square is the first ending number, double digit. So nearly 0 ending or 5 ending. Which number is easy? 5 ending. Number is 15 square. See here, it's a small number. It's a small number than 16. What number we want? So we add. What we add? What number we write here? 15 plus. What number we want? 16. So write 15 square. We already do it. 5 ending number. 225 plus. Both we add 31. So finally we got 256. So 16 square equal to 256 is the final answer. We see another number, 26 square. Same model, friends. We write nearly 5 ending number is 25 square. So it's a small number. That's why we write plus. So 25 plus what number? 26. So 25 square, 625 plus what we add? 51. So the final answer is 676. 26 square. We got very easily, friends. If we practice well, we write in fraction of seconds, we do any square number. So see another number, the big number is now triple digit number, we go for it. 106 square. 106 square, nearly 5 ending number is 105. So 105 square plus 105 plus we got 106. So 105 square, already we do it, do 5 ending number. Again I will do for you. 5 5 is 25, we add plus 1, so 11, 11 10 is 110. So that number is 11025. And we add both 211. So the final answer is what? 6, 3, 2. So is the 106 square. We easily write triple digit square number also based on this technique. So I'm go for final 1 ending numbers. Okay friends, we go for final number 1 ending numbers. 1 ending numbers 21. So why not we take 11? Why not we take 11? Well, 11 has a special technique. I tell you the last. So 21 square. Which one is near? 0 ending or 5 ending? 0 ending number is near. That means 20 square. 20 is a small number. Then 21 square. 21. So we add something numbers. There are something numbers are what right here? 20 plus what we required? 21. So 20 square 400. 2 square 4, 0 square 2 zeros plus 20 plus 20 41 21. So we add finally we got 441. That means 21 square. Let's see another number 31 square. Near 0 any number is 30. So 30 square plus, because small number I write here plus 30 plus 31. 9 is 3 square 9, 2 zeros plus 30 plus 31 61. We add 961 for 31 square. Very simple technique, friends. So we go for triple digit number. one ending 101 square. So 101 square here 100 square plus 100 plus 101. So 100 square 10,000 plus 100 plus 101 201. We add both of them 10 201. This is the final answer for triple digit number. We do any number, friends, 121 or 111, same technique, friends. You should practice, it's very easy. We can write the square numbers within fraction of seconds. So now I tell for 11 square technique, very interesting technique, friends. Let's see, friends, 11 square. How many ones is there? 2 ones. So we write 1 2 2 before 1. So 11 square equal to 121. Okay, we will go for triple digit number. Triple one square. So how many ones is there? 3 ones. So 1 2 3. 3 before 2, 2 before 1. And this technique only for ones, the number containing all are ones, friends. Okay, now we will go for 4 ones. 1111 square. So how many ones is there? 1 2 3 4 ones. So we write 1 2 3 4. 4 before 3, 3 before 2, 2 before 1. So this is the square number. We write all these like numbers 5 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, any number, friends. These are the simple techniques for writing squares, very easy. I think you understand very well. Okay, you like this class, please keep. Okay, friends, I think you understand very well. Please like my channel and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.